ESD PVC flooring installation demands precision and thorough testing to ensure its effectiveness in electrostatic sensitive environments. Surface resistivity test. Surface resistivity is a critical parameter in determining the ESD performance of static flooring. This test helps to confirm that the flooring will effectively dissipate static charges. During installation, random spot checks of the laid ESD flooring tiles can be conducted to ensure consistent resistivity across the entire surface. Adhesion test. Proper adhesion between the anti-static vinyl flooring tiles and the subfloor is vital for its long-term performance. A pull-off adhesion test can be performed to assess the bond strength. Grounding continuity test. Since ESD control flooring relies on proper grounding to safely dissipate static electricity, a grounding continuity test is indispensable. Measure the resistance between the anti-static flooring tiles and the ground point using a multimeter or a specialized grounding tester. Visual inspection. After laying each section of the ESD PVC flooring tiles, it should be examined for any visible defects such as scratches, gouges, or bubbles. By performing these comprehensive tests during the installation of ESD VCT flooring tiles, installers can ensure that the flooring will provide reliable electrostatic discharge protection and perform optimally in sensitive environments.